Ang gagawin natin ngayon is a Magnum like ice candy. Kasi 'di ba, pag may mga kids ka, ano yung mostly na gusto nilang kinakain? Mostly sweets, 'di ba? Ice cream, ice candy, popsicles, mga something like that. As a mom, of course, I'm thinking of a little bit of a twist. So, yan ang gagawin natin ngayon. Ang main ingredients ko is an extra ganache that I made. You can watch my ganache recipe on the other video. And plus the milk mixture that I also made na makikita nyo rin sa Boko Pandan Delight na video ko. So, yun. And maximizing the bananas that were given to me by a very good friend, Consilor Jaya Tangbo. Thank you for this. Now, let's begin. So, I'm having this and malaki masyado siya. I'm going to cut in half. Naghugas na ako ng kamay, ha? So, yun. There. We will be needing an ice bag. Ito, ang gamit ko ngayon is 3x10 ice bag. So, okay. Let's try. So, it's how you're going to do it. And dahil kasi medyo sticky yung ganache, mahirap siya gamitan ng funnel. So, that's why ginanito ko na lang yung cellophane. And I use a teaspoon. Actually, guys, this is my first time. Alam mo yun, naisip ko lang kung anong gagawin ko today. And since I still have this extra ganache and milk mixture and the banana, so yun nga naisip ko din. So yun. You can estimate naman kung hanggang saan yung gusto nyo. So yan, you flatten it like that. And then use the funnel and put the milk mixture in between. Yan. Tapos, put na the bananas. Laki niya.
Oh no!
It's big. So yun, dapat lang matanggal yung air niya inside. And then you tie it, ganyan. So ang mangyayari nito, bali yung top niya is chocolate. And then my white milk mixture sa ilalim. And then the banana. Yay! In my part, it's hard to resist the chocolates for me, ha? So, yun. I tried to stop it, pero wala. Always trying and trying. I never succeeded, Lalz.
You suck!
Actually, you can have option pala. Pwede nyong i-mash yung banana if you like, pero kasi ako, gusto ko siya na parang when you bite it, ayun talaga, ma-feel mo talaga siya na like it's a banana coated with the milk mixture and the chocolate. So, yun yung gusto ko. Kaya, I really put like the whole piece of it. I just wonder, babae lang ba talaga yung mahihilig sa chocolates or sa sweets or even men? Pero I have known many of girls naman who doesn't like ito matatamis. Except for those who are mga nagda-diet talaga and mga health conscious yun. And for men, very seldom lang. I know one. Pero mostly sa men, I think they don't like sweets. Maybe it can damage their reputation of being a masculine, charot. Charot, masculine. Parang different vlog ko ito, Lalabs. Actually, walang plan na ganito eh. Kasi lang, I'm taking the chance because my baby love is sleeping. So, yun. So, parang ganyan lang, paulit-ulit. Kwentuhan na lang tayo. Alam nyo bakit ako nagba-vlog? Kasi, I love to cook. Like, I love to do stuff like this. So, then, I get bored. Especially ngayong pandemic. So, naisip ko, why not try to vlog? But, wala lang, for fun. And I did not cook because I vlog. But, I vlog because I cook. So, parang ganyan yung nangyayari. Enjoy lang. Just a sort of fun for me, Lalabs. Ganon. Dapat lang naman kasi ni-enjoy lang natin. If we will get monetized eventually, then okay. Kung hindi naman pa, okay lang din naman. For as long as you are enjoying of what you do. So, okay lang yun. Mahirap din naman kasi if you will force yourself in doing something that you don't enjoy. So, yun. I didn't really plan to vlog. Wala. Dumating lang ako sa ganito. Explore life, guys. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-edit. So, para doon sa mga master na, hayaan nyo na lang yung ano ko. Kung hindi siya masyadong professional yung dating ng video ko. Pero, kasi, yun lang talaga abot ko. Sa ngayon ha. But, I'm still learning. So, hopefully, magiging professional naman yung dating. Yun. And para dun sa gustong mag-vlog, tas hindi nyo alam kung paano, just learn the basic lang muna. And then, you make sure na yung mag-enjoy lang kayo. Parang seryoso na hindi seryoso. Ganun lang. Just have fun. Ako nga nagtatrabaho, I work, and sobrang busy dito sa bahay. And I vlog pa and I edit pa. Oh my gosh.
Oh no!
So ito naman guys, kasi parang wala na at akong milk mixture. So gagawin ko pure na lang na chocolate. And then we'll put the banana. Banana! Ooh, banana! The sizes are not uniform, but it's okay kasi kami lang din naman kakain ito. This will be the last. So, ubusin na natin yung chocolate natin. There you go. I think mas masarap to lagyan pa ng chocolate chips or something na mga pwede nyong mailagay. Medyo messy lang talaga siya gawin, pero okay lang. Kailangan nyo lang mag-prepare ng cloth para doon. Kaya every time maging sticky na yung kamay nyo, wipe nyo lang. Ganun. Ganun. I have to squeeze it. I have to squeeze it like, Yun. Para ma-soak talaga siya doon sa chocolate. Kasi, kunti na lang yung chocolate. Tadang! Finished! So, ayan lalabs. Tapos na tayo. I-freeze lang muna natin to. And then, mag-taste test tayo pag matigas na siya. Okay? Look at my hands. So dirty. Sarap niya.
Few moments later.
Ayan lalabs, matigas na siya. So, taste test na tayo. Gagayahin ko yung reaction ng friend ko ha, si Kuya Darrell. Kuya Darrell!
Huh?
Masarap. No, I'm not joking. Masarap nga. Lasa pa rin yung banana and the milk mixture and the chocolate ganache. Masarap talaga. Shout out to A&G videos. Thank you for always watching my videos, and thank you for always leaving a comment. And of course, for the sponsor of our bananas, it's from Dole Company, given to me by my very good friend, Councilor Jaya Tango. She gave me boxes of bananas, so I shared it to my neighbors also. Here's the photos. And I was grateful that I was able to share something again. It doesn't matter how big or small you've shared to others, but the thought of sharing and inspiring others to give also is really a big thing. So let's help, let's share, and continue to inspire others, especially this time of pandemic. And please don't forget to share and like, and hit that bell icon. Always remember, every day is a wonderful day. This is Ate Lalz. Once again, please subscribe.